Hey guys, today I'm going to be fitting one of these to my bike. So let's see what we've got. This is, for anyone that's interested, the Ram Rail U-Bolt Mount Universal X-Grip. Made in USA. So we have that one, came with a cool little sticker. There's the mount with everything attached. Mount, the little arm thing, ball. So these ones are made to fit a few different size handlebars. So you've got what looks to be what I'm guessing is your 7/8 inch and your inch handlebars there. Very good inch here. That's just a catalog. Right here. So fit this on here. Obviously going to be looking at that side. I'm going to have to pop those. Just pop this one for now. So that one goes in there, I'm guessing. That goes in there. Put the screws on. So this cabling is really shit. Oh, I can't wait to change out the handlebars on this. Go there and there. That's going to be it. So that comes with little nylock nuts and stuff for it. Which helps if you put them on around the correct way. The only tool you're going to need for this install is, apart from what I use with the side cutters and the knife, you're just going to need an 11mm spanner or your 7/16, depending on whichever you're using. And yeah, obviously very simple, very quick install. So obviously you can leave this on here and just leave this bit and attach the arm and stuff when you're using it, or you can take the whole thing off, because I mean it's It's 2 nuts to undo, so it's not a big job. You know, with the idea of showing you guys some of these installs and stuff from very basic through to all the other bits and pieces that I'm going to do, I just thought I'd put this up just for interest for anyone that's looking for a phone holder for their bike. So there is that bit done. Probably do it up a little bit tighter than that. Sort of nip those up there. That's it. Now you've got this little retainer thing that you can flick over the top as well. That sort of just sits on there. This obviously. So you've got your little retainer on the back and you've got the arm. You can get different lengths in these. You can get a couple of different attachments that you can put on them as well, basically once you've got that on here. So yeah, one of my reasons for going for the RAM mount or the X Grip was I know there's a couple of other different types of phone holders out there and that kind of thing, but this one's actually completely universal in that you don't have to get a special phone case for it or anything like that to be able to use it. You can just roll with it with whatever you've got. So that's it. You put that on, tighten that up, holds everything in place. So this is what it does. Holds your phone there like that. Bit of video inception there. So yeah, that moves a little bit. Let the arms move a little bit in the back of it. But so that's it. The phone itself, like the whole bracket's moving with that, actually holds that pretty strong. It's impressive. Obviously, you can have it that way, or you can loosen this off. Move it around to be more like that. It's going to tighten it up. If you don't feel like that's enough, you've obviously got this little bit here you can pop around. It's actually not quite big enough for my phone, that thing, but it's over one side of it and it seems to be plenty enough. As you can see, it's pretty strong. It actually is strong enough to push the buttons on the on my phone there. So that's that little install done. Obviously, yeah, simple and effective, and so yeah, it also comes with these little caps that I'm guessing if you use this larger U-bolt, then you can fit that over the top if you've got exposed threads, so you're not going to cut yourself or anything. There is the RAM mount X Grip install. May look into a shorter arm for that or something else, but yeah, that's cool. I'm digging it. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. Throw me a like and a sub if you can, and you know, maybe let me know in the comments of any other phone holders or something that you guys are using, or if you guys have had these and you've got any you've had issues with them. You know, I couldn't find any really bad feedback on the RAM mount. That's why I went with, one of the reasons I went with it. So but yeah, let me know your experiences, and if you found something better, I'd, you know, always keen to know, always keen to share. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye.